That's cool. Wow. Look at this.
Whoa. Only this car comes down.
These are the elevators here at the brand new Exchange Hotel in downtown Sacramento, California. This was previously the California Fruit Building, and these were originally Pacific elevators that were probably manually controlled. This is the second, maybe even third mod these elevators have received. But yeah, I don't know if you guys remember my video from the past, but this did not look anything like this before. They redid this hotel, redid this building really nicely. Capitol elevator. Newer ERM buttons. Not very common. It's not Innovation Pinnacle, although it looks like it. It's actually a little bit bigger.
Push is different.
Yeah. Look at this stairway. They like totally redid it. Wait, no, they just added this. Look, this is the original wood railing, and then they added a second one to extend it up because, yeah, we'll look at it on the top floor.
It looks cooler.
Oh, there's a little one over here. Did you call it?
Yeah.
No. Very small cabs. Call recognition, not something I usually see. Very cool. We can actually end the video up here. So in my video of this place, when it was the fruit building, I actually stood at this part and I was like, this handrail is a little bit too low for comfort. Ooh, that is too low for me. This railing needs to be higher. You know, it'd be nice if they brought it up. And look, they added this gold part.
Yeah, it's a long way down.
Yeah, that is cool though. I love stairways like this. Yeah, very nice hotel. 10. Wow. Alright, that'll be it.